What's up, Slime Squad? Today we are doing more no glue slimes. We have a lot of Instagram suggested slime recipes out there, and wow, we are using a ton of them in this video. And we are going to be making so many kinds of no glue slimes, you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. First up, we have a soap slime, and it's going to be a bar soap. I'm using ivory, and this recipe was suggested by RosieBud7 on our Instagram. Thanks, Rosie. So we're supposed to melt this, and I guess if you put it in a saucepan, it would melt, but I'm going to put it in the microwave because it does something amazing. So let's check it out. What? What is this? It's like a big old marshmallow puff. It's amazing. This is so much fun. And it feels, guys, this feels like paper. It's the weirdest thing. So anyway, the recipe then says to add some salt. So after I sprinkled my salt on, I'm going to mix it in thoroughly. And this is a little hard because I've got a paper-like substance here that doesn't want to mix. So I thought I'd try some lotion to, I guess, moisten up this soap, and maybe I can get it to come together. I've moistened it up, but it's still a little bit crumbly. This one's not working out for me. I'm trying my hardest to get it to come together. It doesn't really stick together, but this slime, guys, was so much fun to make. I mean, just watching that ivory soap explode and expand, it was awesome. It was so worth it. For this next slime, I'm going to try and recreate a no glue cloud slime that I saw on another channel and see if it really works, or is it fake. So you're going to need a diaper, and you're going to cut it in half and spill the beads, I guess. And then you're going to need a little bit of agua, H2O, water, however you want to say it. Isn't it cool how they expand? I love watching that. And then you're just going to mix them up. If you don't have a baby sister or brother, you can use the instant snow that's sold. No big deal. It's the same thing. So next you're going to add in a body wash of your choice, and we're just going to stir that up a little bit. Nothing's happening, so I don't know. I have a few steps to go. I'm a little skeptical on this one. We shall see. Next, the recipe calls for a pinch of salt. So we're going to add that up, and we're going to mix again. And it's supposed to be coming together, guys, but it's not. I mean, on the video I saw, it was this amazing stretchy slime, but as you see, I don't have anything yet. So I'm going to try another diaper. Maybe I need a few more of the cloud beads. I don't know. So it's neat. I like trying out both ways. This way, the beads are all full, and I'm just going to kind of pour them into my bowl. It's neat. I love playing with this stuff. Not diapers, but the instant snow. Y'all do know to never play with yellow snow, right? Well, I hope you do know, because that would be gross. Okay, I've added all of the diapers cloud slime. I don't know why that's just tripping me out. But anyway, I mixed that up, and I'm going to add in some more body wash. And then I'm going to add a little sprinkle of salt. And I'm going to mix it up, and hopefully this will turn into slime really soon, because, man, the slime that they showed was really cool. But as you can see, it's not coming together, and that was a fake. They faked us out, guys. And this is not slime. I saw this next recipe on another channel on YouTube, and you're supposed to put some 3-in-1 and an equal part of 3-in-1. I know, pretty redundant. I got 2 different flavors. I guess not flavors, but scents, and we shall see. Will this work? Will this make slime, or is this a fake? I decided to add some color just because we can see it better, and I want to be able to see it. And then mix it up. After that, you're going to add in a pinch of salt, or maybe 2 pinches. That was a big pinch, but here we go. So we're going to mix this up, and guys, it looks like it's come together. Yeah, this is really, this is thickening up. I'm really excited, guys. Oh my gosh. And it's not sticky. It's not sticking to me. It's forming a cute little slime ball. Look at this. And I'm so glad I colored it. I love the blue on red. Look, you can even roll this on as a little jiggly slime. This is perfect. I never would have thought that 3-in-1 and 3-in-1 shampoos would have worked. This is super cool. Love it. I wanted to see what would happen if I set this one out. So I set it out on my counter for 3 days, and this is what I got. It's got really sticky. It's not the cute little jiggly ball it used to be. So this is one you want to play with immediately and then toss. This next slime recipe was suggested by Liv9873. Thanks, Liv. So we are to first put in some hand soap, and next we're going to add in an equal part of aloe vera. After you've added your aloe vera, you're supposed to put in a pinch of salt. All right, and we're supposed to mix. Do y'all like my bowl? I don't know why I picked it out. It's so hard to mix in this. So I added color just so we could see it better. I'm liking blue, so that's what I picked. It looks green in this yellow bowl though, doesn't it? Unfortunately, the slime is not coming together, so I'm going to add in some baking soda to see if I can thicken this up and make it into slime. I got some old baking soda. It's got a bunch of chunks, but you know, it'll still work. So I'm mixing it up, and it seems to be thickening up a little bit, but it looks as it needs a little more help, so I'm going to add a little more baking soda and whip it up. It still wasn't coming together, so I added a little more hand soap because I know hand soap's a little more jelly-like, so maybe this would make it into slime. But it's just still soupy. This one's just not going to turn into slime, I'm afraid. This next slime recipe was suggested to us by our Instagram follower Vicky Duarte 390. So she suggests we try some Suave Kids, and I'm adding color. If you don't have color, that's fine. And then after you've mixed your color in, you're going to add in a pinch of cream of tartar, or tartar, not tartar. Ew. Anyway, you add a pinch of that, and don't mix it. Do not mix. But we're going to freeze it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I have, guys, I'm sorry, but I have a block of ice. Vicky, did I do something wrong? I'm so sorry, but this is like a hockey puck, but it's pretty crunchy. I like that sound. This next recipe was suggested to us by another Instagram follower. Her name is Georgia Martin 111. Thank you, Georgia. So you need some water, and I think I put like a cup of water, and then I'm gonna add some yellow food coloring. Now, of course, you can add whatever food coloring you want, or none at all, whatever you want to do. And these little chunks were driving me crazy, but I mean, eventually I got over it because they're gonna mix in anyway. So just stir that up. And next, we're gonna need a cup of confectioner sugar. And guys, we're gonna have to add some more, I believe, because it's just sinking in there. So add another cup of sugar, and then I started mixing it in, and just stir it in. And this is kind of like oobleck, but this is like edible oobleck, I guess, maybe. So if it's too liquidy, add more sugar. If it's too hard, then add some more water. No big deal. This is kind of like a foolproof, edible, no glue slime, aka royal icing. It's amazing stuff. So once I got the consistency I wanted, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and start kneading it. And it has such a nice texture. It's really soft right now, and you can just mold it to whatever shape you want. It looks like a butter slime because of the color, but really it's a sugar slime, and it's so nice. Super sugar rush for reals right here. You can make your slime and eat it too. We're gonna try out another Recipe suggested by an Instagram follower. Her name is Ciara Piggy. Thank you so much, Ciara. So she says we need to mix in some Himalayan salt body wash with some of this dial soap. You're going to use equal parts of each of these, and then you're going to mix it up. Pretty cool. It looks like it's mixing, or of course it's mixing. It looks like it's thickening up already. All right, to that we're going to add a pinch of styling gel. And it wouldn't really be a pinch, would it? Because I'm not pinching it there. What would you call it? A dollop, maybe? Anyway, you're going to mix that together. This one's looking really good. In the recipe, she suggested to let it set for a day, and it's been a day. Here we go. Guys, I don't know what happened, but it evaporated. I don't think this is slime. It's not stretchy or even jiggly, but at least I can exfoliate my hands with it. All right, we're gonna do another suggested Instagram slime, and this one is by B11 311 234. So I'm putting some Head and Shoulders into a bowl, and I'm gonna microwave for 30 seconds. And I've got soup. I don't have slime, so I'm gonna try again for 15 seconds in the microwave. I got a smaller soup, but I still have soup. It's not working. That would be really cool if it would have worked. That would have been really awesome, but this one didn't work. Boo. Okay guys, I saw this one on another YouTube channel, so I thought I'd try it and see if it really works. So you're gonna need some peel off face mask. And I like this one because it's pink. And then you're gonna need some of this Burt's Bees body lotion. In the recipe I saw, this is the activator, so I want to see if it's true or not. Right now, nothing's really happening. So I'm gonna add a little more of the lotion because it's supposed to activate, right? And nothing's happening. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm mixing it up. Still nothing's happening, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Actually, a lot bit more, because I really want this to activate, because that would be really cool. There are so many fake videos out there, it's like making me so upset. Anyway, this one is a fail, and it's also a fake, so yeah, no bueno. Next up, we're gonna do a 100% acetone slime. Well, actually, we're gonna melt some stuff into this to make slime, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I need to take the cap off first, but anyway. So you're gonna pour in your acetone, and it has to be 100% because if it's 30, it's not gonna work. And I'm gonna go ahead and hand this one off to Adam so I don't mess up my nails.
I'm back! What's up, Slime Squad? Have you wondered where I've been? I've been here all along, I've just been behind the camera. So anyway, we wanted to test and find out what all types of things can we melt in 100% acetone, because of course we've shown you before how you can melt like a, you know, a plastic plate or a plastic cup. So of course that's what I've done here. And this is one that you need to have an adult with you because, you know, you don't want this to splash up in your eyes. This could mess up your furniture. It's weird. Just be careful. Anyway, let's try some microbeads. Listen to that sizzle. And as you can see, of course, the microbeads work. What about colored styrofoam balls? Let's see. I have a feeling it's gonna work. Frying them up. Starting to look like stained glass now. What about even bigger foam balls? Yes, of course, they work. And if you put this in a, you know, like a Ziploc bag or something, this will last a long time. This stuff is like ice cold. But now for something really big.
It's time for the finale. We're going to melt this football. Look at that. Do you see? It's like squishier now. Okay, I'm gonna try pouring some acetone over this football. This is so cool. It's like absorbing it. There's like nothing in the bowl. This football is eating my nail polish remover. The more I put on it, the squishier this ball gets. I mean, this is so cool. It's like a football squishy. I made a squishy. All right, so I decided I'm gonna cut this thing open and see what it looks like. It's so satisfying. Look at all this acetone coming out. Oh my gosh. I'm really gonna probably mess up my nails, but who cares?